Hey everybody, this is Em from DIYM. So I just wanted to show you a really cute, simple face mask idea you can do and how to gift it if you want to. Really straightforward and simple. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how to just make these powdered oats. I really love this face mask. It's actually really moisturizing and it exfoliates really nicely. So honey and oats are really nice to use as beauty products. I've actually thrown DIY parties to make a DIY spa day. I did that with a few of my friends and we just kind of sat around and made some beauty products and then used them. So I've done this mask before with other people. Normally it's for almost like any kind of skin. It's really good for dry skin, but it shouldn't clog your pores. For acne prone skin or combination skin is pretty good for that too. But I find most people find their skin is very soft afterwards. But you normally take equal parts honey and powdered oats, and you can add, if you want to, you don't have to do this, but you can add a yogurt, same equal parts. So say you're doing tablespoons or something, right? So you do tablespoon of honey, tablespoon of powdered oats, and then tablespoon of yogurt, or you can just do tablespoon of honey and tablespoon of the powdered oats. Doesn't matter what combo you do, but you can write this in a note or something like that and put this in a little gift box so you can show people what you can do. You just combine those things in a little bowl if you want to. You can combine it just in your hand and then just apply it to your face. The face should be cleaned or at least wet prior, and put this combination on and let it sit on your face for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then just take it off with a washcloth, or you can just go in the shower and just wash that off. So a few different things you can do there, but I find it a really nice, nourishing one. It's nice because you can even put it in your body. You can eat it. It tastes really good. I've actually had it in my mouth accidentally a few times before, just on my face. So it tastes fine. It's all natural ingredients and they're all really tasty ingredients. It's almost like having breakfast on your face. But yeah, it's honestly really good for your skin. As I said, it's very nourishing. So I like to just do this every now and then. But yeah, so I'm just going to show you how to powder the oats. So I'm going to gift this to somebody. So I just wanted to show you guys this and onto the project. So I'm using these containers. I'll try to link the link down below for these containers. And you can use whatever sizes you want to. You don't have to use these specific size at all. So these guys have other little containers inside, which is neat. So in case you want to do, say, a lip balm or a lip scrub or something, you can use these. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wash these out and dry them. And then I'm going to blend some oatmeal, and I'll show you that right now. I'm just going to use this oatmeal Silk Oats. These are individual packages, but you can get oats on its own in a bigger package. I'm doing this around Christmas time, so this is not the best time of year to find smaller things of oats right now. Everything's gone in these stores. But yeah, you can get smaller packs of just plain oats, whatever kind of oats, doesn't matter. And I'm just going to grind it finely. And then in the little gift basket, I'm also going to gift some honey. Just because it's Christmas time, I might give a few of these little things of tea. This is chocolatey peppermint herbal tea, but yeah, you can use any kind of tea to gift somebody. It doesn't really matter. It's just nice to go with the honey. It's just like a nice little extra self-care thing to add to the little gift basket, gift box. So I'm just going to show you guys how I grind this stuff. I'm going to wash this off screen, this little container here, and we're just gonna make some labels for it. Okay, so I washed and dried this, cleaned this off screen. So yeah, I just got my magic bullet and then just a regular part to blend the oats in, and then I just have the blade for it. If you guys have a magic bullet, you kind of know how it's used, but I just figured I'd show this on camera. But yeah, you can use more than this. You could probably use maybe a couple bags of this to fill up this guy here. You don't have to worry about the instructions of this. I want to make a powder. Yeah, you can do more than that too. We'll see where it's at after this. Maybe I'll do one more. I'll just do one more just to have some extra in case you want to make a couple of these. Alright, and then you just put on the lid. Okay. I like to shake it up a bit, because this sort of goes in on itself a bit, which is nice. And then you just stop it. Make sure there's no extra flakes. If there is, it's fine too. It's not a big deal. So yeah, now it's powder. And now you can take this lid off here, / blade. There we go. I might just scoop it in. I have these little clean scoops from my smoothies that I make. Here, I'm just gonna do something better than this. Probably easier to scoop with something like this instead of getting it everywhere like I'm doing. Oops, I'll just use my little tiny vacuum that I have. Ooh, a lot of dust on this. But yeah, it's basically a nice powder, and that should last you for quite a while. If you want, you can put the expiration date on it, because it's actual oats. So I might do that on the label as well. But yeah, you can make a bunch of these. I'm just gonna vacuum this up. There's a chance to use my little vacuum that I got from Temu. You can do this with glitter and all sorts of other stuff too. Well, it actually works pretty well. Pretty nice. There you go. It's pretty cute too. I like it. Works nicely and it's really fast. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna make a label, and you can make professional labels, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just use my label maker for this. So I wanna do an outline, fancy font, Berlin, large font, and then I want to put powdered oats on it. Okay, so that should be good. So that's cute. And then I'm going to change the font again. So this is a clear sticker. As I said, you can get a professional clear sticker made if you want to make a professional looking label. I would say get a waterproof one just in case. This is already waterproof, so that's kind of nice. I'm just gonna put, what's the expiration date on this? Let's see. December 18th. December. I'm going to also make that small. And then I don't want that font that I used, so I don't want the outline, I just want a regular outline. And then back to Helsinki. I think that should be good. I don't think I need it bold or anything like that. And I'm just gonna print it up. So we don't really need a lot of instructions for this because it's pretty much just powdered oats, but I just wanted to put an expiration date on it so that the person knows how old these are and if they should throw it out, especially if they go moldy or something like that. So I'm gonna put this on the bottom of the package here, or you can put it on the side, you can put it wherever really, you can even put it on the top, but I'm just gonna put it on the bottom. Okay, and then this just makes things look a little professional, but not tremendously professional. There we go. It's a little more centered now, right? Almost forgot. In case you don't want to label it this way and you just want to just write a label on, and if you don't have a label maker or want to get one, and you have better handwriting than I do, so I have terrible handwriting, you can always get these labels. This comes with the package here, but you can always get other labels on the side and just write something on there as well. This is just in case you're making something a little waterier, you can scoop things a little bit easier. But yeah, this is just dry powder. I don't really need those scoops. So yeah, so that should work out pretty nicely. So that's basically how you do that. But yeah, I'm going to show you guys in another upcoming video how to package this stuff up with a few different ways of packaging. I mean, you can put this in a little gift basket if you'd like. You can put this in a little gift box. You can also pair it with a lip balm, something that you've made like that, or you can just buy a lip balm and throw it in, maybe your favorite one. Put a face cloth or washcloth or something in here. There's like all sorts of different ways of doing this, right? So I'm going to pair this with my nail kit that I've made. I'm going to show you also how I do that in another video. But yeah, so that's basically that. If you like this really simple, easy video, just like and subscribe, and please share the video with anybody else if you really enjoy it. If you want to, you can always put the honey in another one of these containers and just label that. I just like the bear. I think it's really, really cute and it's kind of extra. Oh, also you can put the tea box in a little gift bag or basket or box. You can even take them out if they don't fit in the box that you're gifting with. Just have a few packets or something. It doesn't have to be this specific. You know, this is more around Christmas times, but yeah, you can add some tea and that'll be nice for the honey as well. So it's kind of like an extra little self-care bonus, right? And yeah, that's pretty much everything, guys. So easy, all right? Have a good one, guys. Take care. Bye.